love Kayla.
I love Anisha. It's almost my 25th birthday. It's Tuesday, June 20 something. I'm not sure because my phone's in the other room, but next Friday is my birthday, my 25th birthday, which is so crazy. Like, I know that I'm still young, but it just feels like one of those milestone birthdays to hit, you know? I'm really, really excited. Next Thursday on the 3rd, I'm having a little dinner party and having all of my really good friends over. I'm gonna make a whole little spread, and my mom's gonna come over earlier that day and help me make a charcuterie board and just all the little apps and things that I need ready for later that night. I ordered 2 dresses off of Revolve. The attire is formal, so I ordered 2 long gowns and they're gorgeous. I hope I like at least one of them, but I'm just really excited. I think the pictures are gonna be super cutie. I am just excited to have a wholesome, really cute night. We're just gonna make some spritzes and have a little wine. Nothing too crazy because I want us to save our energy for the 4th. For the 4th, I'm gonna do a little pool party barbecue, but having some friends spend the night, and then we're gonna do a brunch in the morning and mimosas. So I'm really excited for that. But yeah, I just thought that I would get this started. I don't know the next time I'm gonna make a clip. It might literally be the day before my birthday, but I don't know. I wanna try to get some things to prep for it this weekend. So I wanna get some cute like themed plates and napkins and just little silverware. I don't really have a theme for my birthday, but I just want it to look cute. Yeah, I'm really excited and I have to go, but I'll see you in the next clip. It's almost my birthday weekend. I'm so excited. I can't believe it. I'm gonna be 25. It's so crazy. I don't even know, but I'm so excited for this weekend. Tomorrow is the 3rd. My actual birthday's on the 4th, but tomorrow I'm gonna be having a little dinner party with all my close friends, and I'm so excited. Right now, I'm actually filming like a little TikTok because I'm making my own birthday cake. I'm doing a matcha blueberry cake, which I love matcha and blueberries, so the combo is just gonna be perfect. And I thought that I would just get started on this cake now because honestly, I don't know if I'm gonna have time tomorrow because I'm gonna be prepping so many other things. This is my current setup. I just got this tripod off Amazon and honestly, it's amazing. But right now I'm making the blueberry cream cheese frosting. Over here, I made the blueberry jam, which is gonna go in the cream cheese frosting. Okay, also, I can't see the camera, this camera and this camera, so I'm just gonna set you up right here while I make the rest of this frosting. Okay, so I popped the butter in the microwave for like 15 seconds to soften it up because I threw it in the fridge right when I got home from the store, which I shouldn't have done. My best friend, Vivian, she was in the previous vlog. It is her birthday 2 weeks after mine, so I'm gonna go visit her, which I'm very excited for. And then her sisters, who are like also my younger sisters, are gonna be there potentially. So I really hope that they are, but if they aren't, it's gonna be an amazing time and I'm just so excited to spend time with her. This year, obviously, I started posting videos on YouTube, which I've always wanted to do ever since I was literally in 3rd grade, and me and one of my oldest friends, we would film YouTube videos in my room, but those never saw the light of day, thank God, because that'd be really embarrassing. I just told myself this year that I'd start posting because why not? Like, this is kind of my little passion project, if you will. I'm really happy that I started. Thanks to all my 48 subscribers. Half of them, probably actually like 90% of them being my friends, but love you. I think this is gonna be a really fun little vloggy though. Okay, I'm gonna continue whisking this and I'm gonna come back when it actually is light and fluffy and an actual frosting consistency. Okay, I'm back. It looks a lot better. I'm literally sweating. Now that the butter and the cream cheese is combined, I'm gonna add vanilla extract, I think. I'm gonna link the recipes that I'm using in the description. I'm watching Gossip Girl right now. Oh my gosh, this looks delectable. I just added in the blueberry jam and now I'm gonna mix it in with the frosting. it, July 3rd. It's my birthday eve today. I'm prepping for everyone to come over later for my little dinner party. This is the spread. Currently baking a cake right now, have my little cookies and all of this stuff. But it's 1:53 and my friends are coming over at 6-ish, so I need to get started. Yeah, it's been a very, very busy day. I've been running around getting groceries, decorations, and everything. Oh my gosh, I got balloons and they're so cutie. I'm so excited. Okay, but I'm gonna hop in the shower really quick so that I can get that out of the way and get ready. Okay, I have not recorded anything since, I don't even know actually, but I didn't record any of me making this except for this cake, but she turned out so cute.
She's beautiful.
Thank you. We have some macarons from Pierre Hermé. Actually, they're from Paris. Tommy brought them from Paris. And then we have some bacon wrapped dates with goat cheese in the middle. Gluten-free chocolate chunk cookies from Trader Joe's. And then these are like little ube rolls. And then this cute charcuterie board that my mom made. It looks so awesome. And then I'm gonna put all the bevs here so we have like a little bev station. I still kind of have to get ready. I like kind of did my makeup a little bit and I was gonna show myself getting ready, but I felt like I didn't have time, so I didn't record it. But I put up this little tinsel and I have my little balloon. Perf. Okay, I have to do my hair, so I'm gonna do my hair right now. I'm so excited. Today was so fun. It was very hectic, but I love my mom. She helped me with literally everything. I'm so excited to have my friends come over in a bit. Okay, hair done. Time to put on the dress. Also, I'm starving, but I'm staying hydrated by drinking an element. I have a couple friends on the way and I'm really, really excited. Okay, it's time for the dress now. Also, I'm really excited because I just wanted to be really extra. I made everyone wear formal dresses like this, and then the guys are wearing slacks and button down, so I'm just really excited. I think all of us are gonna look so cute, and I can't wait to see everyone's outfits when they get here. Okay, we just took some pictures outside. This is the current spread. Yay. Having a real good time. Era. Try and get my prosciutto. We just had some really cute pictures with everyone, so now it's time to party. We still need to make noodles for the pasta.
I love Kayla.
I love Anusha. She's TikTok famous. Link in the description. Okay, wait, actually I need to make these noodles.
I can help you make the noodles.
Okay, thank you. Do you guys want to go down and make the chicken?
Yeah.
Cool. Period. Oh my god, wait. Also, Bella made this banana cream pie.
Wait, I'm excited to eat that.
What the hell?
That looks... What the hell? What the hell? What the hell on there?
And it's gluten-free.
What the hell, Cyrus? It's gluten-free?
Obviously.
I was just gonna eat the cream.
I know it's
Say hi, Andy.
Hi, Andy.
Okay, we gotta make the pasta now. Chop it up. Happy 1 week late birthday, Anusha. She's using the lip gloss that Melissa bought her. Slay. Period. I'm gonna be opening my gift from Melissa because she's not gonna be here tomorrow on my actual B-day. Oh my god, you guys. Okay, these are the options. We have little koala. We have the little red... Wait, what is this? Red panda? Or what is he?
Oh, that one looks like Muffin, but that one looks like Muffin. Muffin is my cat.
I'm overwhelmed. I don't know which one I want.
Open it.
Okay, I'm gonna be really happy with whatever one I get.
I'm your Mima, and I think it's gonna be a girl. But healthy baby.
Oh my god, it was one of the carrots! It was one of the carrots! That's the one that I was like,
Happy Easter!
happy birthday, happy Easter to anyone out there who celebrates
He
Easter.
has risen in Labubu form.
I'm naming her Liz for Alyssa.
So, if you guys don't know the lore behind that and what that means, Alyssa bought her this, and this is Alyssa.
Hi.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Kayla. Happy birthday to you.
Remember that you asked for it. I'll try my best to impress, but it didn't.
Introducing me.
Do you want a little knife? Do you have a cake knife?
Oh, sure. I was about to.
You were about to just start fucking eating it. Who wants one?
Me. Who wants to go to Disneyland Orlando? Me.
Child? Oh my god. We're taking you back to the hospital. I forgot about that video.
Okay, you know that one iCarly episode where they eat the coconut cream pie? This is what it feels like.
I've been obsessed with coconut cream pie since that episode, and I've never tried it.
No, me too. I've never tried it. I've always wanted to try it, but looking at this reminds me of the coconut cream pie from iCarly.
Do you remember when they went to Japan and then Mrs. Benson and Spencer got stuck?
Yes, in the seaweed.
Yeah, they like it.
It's really good. Oh my gosh. Bella, this is so good.
Okay, yeah, this box salad.
Found an abandoned hamster and felt sorry for it, so she decided to take it out.
What Glee song do you like, Anusha?
All of them.
So true.
Pass.
Pass.
He was a criminal. Pass. Explain yourself.
Barry B. Benson, smash, pass.
4 B's.
Literally pass.
I'm gonna pour it.
I'll finish it.
Environmental.
Pass.
Smash.
Honestly, my ChatGPT like really likes me. I love my ChatGPT. Smash. Smash. Pass. Smash. 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 When he's making that omelet in the morning. Smash. Smash. There you go. Smash.
Hey, you guys have answered. Smash or pass?
Smash.
Smash. Yes. Yeah. Papa.
Yes.
This is not a queen. This is not a queen. This is Bella, and I love her so much. It's a cat. Happy 4th, guys. It's officially my birthday. I'm having such a good time. It's like mid-afternoon. We woke up, watched the latest episode of Love Island, crazy stuff. And now we've been out at the pool for like the past couple of hours, but it's such a nice day outside. The UV was like 10 today. And now we're just eating. We had some burgers, we're having some bevs, and we are playing King's Cup. This is my burger. She fucked it up.
Wants it straight.
We need to get the vibes up and going.
I can't see, so
We could.
yeah.
Like the mustard.
Okay.
That's a valid voice. No, it actually was way worse than I forgot about.
Hi. Okay, It's been a few hours. We went swimming. The boys just went to the store to grab some more bevs for us, and the girlies are cooking. But yeah, we're just making our food so we can go upstairs. I'm like trying to clean everything up, and then we're gonna go upstairs and then play some games. So I'm really, really excited. But today's been such a good, fun day, and I'm very, very happy.
Happy birthday to you.
Somebody record this.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Kayla. Happy birthday to you. Woo!
Take away.
This is amazing.
Literally walked up to Andy in the store, and then he just handed me the candle.
Wait,
and I
wait,
was
wait,
like, what is it?
Exposed.
This is when you
The perfect bite. The perfect bite.
a perfect bite.
I want this.
You gotta get this on video. This is her 25th birthday.
So true.
She's halfway through her 20s now.
Quarter of a century. Candy.
Why'd you have to make it like
I'm already
that?
halfway. I'm more than halfway.
It's true. It's not. Okay.
Wait, is this like ube matcha?
It's blueberry matcha.
That's yours.
Okay,
That-
see from the back too.
Oh my gosh.
Hi.